Logitech Ergo K860, also known as the best ergonomic wireless keyboard for 2024. The Ergo K860 is specifically designed to improve typing posture with its curved, split layout that reduces muscle tension in your wrists and forearms. The design encourages a more natural posture while typing. A standout feature is its padded palm rest made from memory foam, which offers superb support and reduces wrist flexion. The perfect stroke keys conform to your finger pads, enhancing comfort, precision, and fluidity as you type. Reviews frequently highlight the keyboard's comfort and the quiet, pleasant feel of its keys. However, some users mention that the wrist rest is not detachable, which could be an issue if it wears out over time. The Logitech Ergo K860's unique wave-shaped curvature is designed to relieve stress on the wrist and forearms and help relax the shoulders during typing. It also features 2 sets of feet on the back, allowing you to adjust the keyboard's angle by 4 or 7 degrees to find your most comfortable position. For those who experience wrist or forearm discomfort from extended typing sessions, the keyboard offers immediate relief by promoting a more natural arm and back alignment. The base of the keyboard is robust, consisting of 3 layers: memory foam, high-density foam, and a layer of stain-resistant fabric, making it easy to clean. Unlike some other ergonomic keyboards, the key layout on the Ergo K860 matches that of a standard keyboard, eliminating the need to relearn key positions. You can connect the Ergo K860 to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or the included USB receiver and switch between them with a simple click. Unlike the Microsoft Sculpt, which has a separate number pad module, the Ergo K860 is a complete one-piece keyboard, adding to its convenience. Thumbs up, that's for sure.